Hello guys, so if your Adobe Illustrator file doesn't work, actually Adobe Illustrator won't save your file and you're wondering why, what's the problem, it could crash and you could lose your work. So I found a temporary solution to export your file from Adobe Illustrator to Photoshop and export a file from Photoshop to your computer as a vector, you know. So we're just going to uh, make something and in Illustrator. This problem probably occurs most likely when you're making a round logo or something and you type on a curve on a path. You make a round logo and you want to curve your I'm sorry. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. Alright, so you make a curve and you want to type something in it or on it, and it just won't save your file. That's the main problem. So um, that probably occurs because you have to convert your whatever you typed into outlines. So we're just gonna show that now. You just go to text and type tool, use type tool, and type on a path. Okay, so you choose this path and you just, let me get it. Alright, and you just type something right here. Okay, so, and that's it. You done it. Alright, so you now want to save this file and you just go file, save, and something's going to happen right now. Desktop, alright, save, and it asks you this, and you press OK. What happens now? It probably, yeah, an error has occurred. Okay, so the first solution is to select this stuff, go to and object and convert to outlines. Let me get this. You know what? Fuck this shit. Okay, whatever, man. Just let me. I'm so bad at this. Okay, go type. No, select. Uh. Oh, okay. You go to type and create outlines. So you just, your text isn't text anymore. It's like drawing, and you just go file, save, try it again, and if it works, you don't have to do anything, nothing else. All right, save. Just type OK. We're just going to see if it's going to save this or not. 74%. Okay. I believe it's saved. Yeah, it's saved. Okay. But if it doesn't work, you just type Control plus A or Command plus A, whatever platform you use, and Control plus C or Command plus C to copy, to select all and copy all. All right. And when you do that, go to Photoshop, Sorry guys about this. All right. And just open a new file. New. Make a new file actually. Yeah. Okay. And you're going to paste whatever you copied from Illustrator. Paste it here. Just uh, command or control plus V. Alright, and it's going to ask you if you want to paste it as smart object. Smart object is a vector. Alright, so this means vector. If you want to save it as pixels or anything else, you just choose, make sure you choose smart object. Alright, not pixels. He's going to show you the object with pixels because this is Photoshop and Photoshop works with pixels, but it's still going to be a smart object. Okay, you just press OK. So here's your stuff, and as you can see here, right down below, it says it's vector smart object, and it's a background beneath him. So if you want to save this, you can just go file, save, but it won't going to save it as place. Yeah, I forgot to place it. Okay. But it won't going to save it. You can save it as an AI file. There's no AI file here. So you won't do that. You just go here and make a layer from background so you can delete background layer. Because if you export this, just go right click and export, and he's going to ask you if you want to export it as a vector smart object.ai. Okay, but anyways, it could save the file in some other format if you don't delete layer 0, because you don't need that layer. Just delete it and save this as an AI file. Now you have an AI file from a Photoshop exported to your computer. Yay, man. So we did it finally. And that's how you do that stuff. Now, if you want to test it, if it works, here is it. Just go to Illustrator, File, Open, your Vector Smart Object, Open, and as you see, it's still vector. Okay, cool. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time. Maybe. Bye.